Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, duplicate the shape, select the text edit, select another shape, save the shape, select the arrange color, to back color red, select the 3D shape, extrusion, Y rotation, then select the draw, select the color white, select the text edit, select a letter, change the color of letter, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.